Hey, it's Steve Slynn with the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to our newest home for sale, 52 Wells Crescent here in Whitby. This fantastic detached house in Brooklyn, you don't want to miss it. As we enter the main floor, you're greeted with a great sized living room. Our main floor dining room features a gas fireplace, overlooks your private backyard, is open concept to your living room, kitchen, and features all the custom woodworking throughout the home. Your second floor offers 3 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, including a primary ensuite, walk-in closet, and again, this room showcases all the custom woodwork. Welcome to your fully fenced backyard with tons of privacy and great space for entertaining. Hey, it's Steve Slynn with the Dan Plowman team. Thanks again for joining us on this tour of 52 Wells Crescent here in Whitby. This fantastic home in a great location is waiting for you to stop by. To book your private showing, call the number up above, or to get other great homes for sale just like this one here, hit that subscribe button down below.